acceptable.
We
You have already been advised on this flight by flight attendants violation of the South Africa law.
Yes, speak Zulu.
This is why she committed one or more offences.
Can someone translate?
No me hicimos manzoto. Joselinda Bejisayo. No me hicimos manzoto.
Inibingelele ngiphinde nginamukele kabathandi bomculo masikande kule channel ke ekulethela zona indaba efyanga soke isikhathi kusale kancane ngempela ke ukuthi ke sumsweleke lapha na ke umongameli wamabhinqa onke ejikelele ungizwe ke umfo wamculo njengoba ke belapha na ke eBhanoyini bebonakala behlupha lapha na ke abelungu noma behlupha imithetho yalapha na ke eBhanoyini bengayihloniphi ngempela ke nebandla ke ebehamba nalo lapha na ke okubala khona ke oqizile kanye nabo ke osaliwe ngoba ke lokho ebebekwenza lapha na ke eBhanoyini bekukuphula ke umthetho obekiwe lapha na ke eBhanoyini ngempela ke kusale kancane ukuthi ke lezi impisi kanye nomongameli wazo ke zingene lapha na ke ekhulu ukuthi umbukeli ngabe kuthini ke okwakho ukuphawula mayilana ke nalokho bekwenziwa lezi impisi lapha na ke eBhanoyini zihlupha ke imithetho ebekiwe ngempela ke eBhanoyini indaba ke ayipheli kwesimanzonzo kepha kuphela ke isikhathi siyabuya nezinye ngokuzayo siyabonga.
That's why things go wrong because you don't follow the rules. Yeah, that's all you can answer.
Guys. Find the proper statute. You're reaching out.
You are disgracing. You are disgracing us. I was an air hostess. Why, guys?
Unacceptable. You have already been advised on this flight by flight attendants violation of the South Africa law.
Yes, speak Zulu.
This is why she committed one or more offences.
Can someone translate?
This is why